Happy Independence Day to all of you. Today in our college, ISHM, we have celebrated the Independence Day as we had a lot of activities, cultural events, exhibitions. So we all have enjoyed a lot, as usual we all do in our events. Our faculties, our management are really very supportive.
So we had lots of dance performance, singing performance and speeches, and it was really amazing to see all of them because everyone was excellent. And also we had our own dance performance, me and my team, and we enjoyed a lot. Thank you.
आज 15 अगस्त को हमारे कॉलेज में इंडिपेंडेंस डे सेलिब्रेट हुआ है, जिसमें हम लोगों ने बहुत सारे मस्ती किए।
On the occasion of Independence Day, we, the Hospital Administration Department, has organized the blood donation camp.